Alright. Hello, friends. This is it. I'm gonna eat my toast if I really don't get Ran, I swear. So, we're gonna first do our first reroll, which has around 5,125 gems, and I guess it will soon be 100 gems because... Alright, we're here. We're here, and we can't escape anymore. We're already here. Oh, 150! Oh my gosh, that's a lot! So we can do solos as well. Nice, nice. Please don't scare me like that. Alright, here we go. We have 5,125 so far, and... Oh, we have enough for a solo, and... I can only hope. I'm serious though, if Ran doesn't come home, I will eat my toast. Let's do this! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's do this! First pull! Ran! Let's do this. Imagine if Ran comes home. Imagine if Ran comes home. I'm so afraid. I'm so sorry. I'm just really scared. Oh my gosh. I know this loading is because there will be new cards, but I can only hope. I can only hope. Oh my god, what happened? I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh, Ran please, Ran please, Ran please. Oh my gosh. 8. Okay. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait! Oh my gosh! Wait! Ran please! Ran please! Ran! I beg! Oh no! No! Thank you, Ako, but you're not what I needed! No! Oh, I'm so mad! Is this really the only thing I'll be getting? Oh my god, Ako, I love you, but please stay away! No! Okay, it's okay. I have hope. This is a good start, but you're not what I needed. I needed Ran, not you! Okay, one more. We can do this. One more, and then a solo. We can do this. Hurry up! Come on! I'm so disappointed. I will eat my toast if none of these rerolls have Ran in it. Kasumi can wait, like if there's a rerun, but Ran cannot. She's only there and then she'll be gone after, so... Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Why am I not surprised? What? Hello? Do you have Ran with you? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I said Ran, not Hina. Oh my gosh. I even have this 4-star in my main, so this... Ah! No. Hi, Sayo. Oh, it's NFO! Nice. But will Ran pull through? That's the question. Ooh! And so... Hi, Mocha. Anyways, I hate Pandori. I said Ran, not you. This is like that one scout I've had where I wanted Ran, but I got this card instead. No, this is going as bad as I expected. I'm not complaining that I got 4 stars, but it's just sad to see that it's not Ran. I doubt Ran even came into one of these polls, so this is so sad indeed. Let's try a solo. And it's gonna be a 2-star. It's a 2-star. Well, kids. Ooh, Tomoe, nice. Anyways, if you want if you want this account, please DM me. I will just give you. I'll just give you. I lost words. Oh my gosh. But if anyone wants this account, please DM me. I will willingly give it to you. So, I'm not exactly mad that I didn't. I'm not exactly mad at the results, but it's just sad, you know, when this girl doesn't love you. It's just really sad. Anyways, so I'm gonna be going to my second reroll already. So till then, see ya.